Tom, I want to take you outside for this right here. We will show you via the lens because I'm not going outdoors right about now, but that's a look from St. Pete. The reason I'm not going out is because it's extra hot out there.
Yeah, exactly. And we all need to thank whoever invented, I think it was Carrier that invented the air conditioning back about 100 years ago.
Well, whoever it was, salute to you
Exactly.
and them.
Because I don't think we could do it today without it. I don't care how many fans you have. It is just hot out there. All you need to be doing is blowing heat on yourself because there is just no relief. Even in the shade, there's no relief. We do have Frank just turned his fan on. Yeah, but that's a fan inside the air conditioning. That's always nice. So we do have a weather impact alert for the next 3 days. Again, this is for the heat and mainly because we're drying out. I mean, typically it is this hot. But again, whenever you are dry for the bulk of the day, we don't have any showers and thunderstorms to help cool us off. That is the case for the day today. That's why it goes till 8 p.m. I mean, typically 3, 4, 5 o'clock, you're starting to see storms firing up. Today is going to be a pretty dry day, 105 to 110, that dangerous heat. And the heat risk is going to continue. Look at that, all the way through Saturday. That's a lot of purple on the map. And again, it is just going to be hot because it's dry. Look how beautiful it is out there, though. Again, look at over St. Pete. It's a little hazy. Your air quality is right borderline good to moderate because we do have, again, that Saharan dust. You can't see that in Clearwater. It looks good at 91, 90 in Tampa. And your feels like it's already 114, 115 Lakewood Ranch, Riverview, 111 Wauchula, Frostproof, 112 Sebring, 110 Wesley Chapel and Lakeland. So again, just a lot of dangerous heat out there. If you have to work outdoors, take frequent breaks in the air conditioning. So there's the heat advisory across the entire area. And as you can see, when it comes to rain, we're just not seeing it. And more than likely not going to see much for the day today. Forecast models are trying to give us something. What you're seeing is up to the north in the Panhandle, but you can see it is just not going to be. And we have seen actually to start the week where we had scattered showers across the entire state. So you see it's calm out there. About 96, 97 for the day today. 96 is the record. 97 would break the record. It's hot, humid, mostly dry. Marine forecast, light chop in the bay, seas at about 1 to 2 feet. Good looking beach forecast, but this is one of the days where you're going to need to be in the water and just stay in the water. Find you some shade if you're not, because again, it's going to be hard to beat the heat. Your feels like temperatures, even at the beach, look at that Clearwater, 109 for the afternoon. So you're not going to get any relief being near that water. Your feels like temperatures for the rest of the week, same thing. There's your Friday. We got a lot of 108s, 109s out there. Saturday, again, still kind of up in the air. Forecast models are going back and forth with the potential for rain. Now, if we do get some scattered showers and storms a little earlier in the afternoon, we might get a little bit of a break. Sunday, Monday look a lot better. So here's your future cast. And again, not going to see a lot of activity through your afternoon and evening, but there is a little out there. If you're under one of those, you're going to feel pretty good and get a nice little downpour. But look at your Friday. We have that flow out of the east combines with that sea breeze. This is a typical summertime pattern for us, but again, late in the day and not for everybody, which is why, again, that heat is going to continue to build. But look at this, near sundown. That is looking good if we can get that. That is a nice storm which could bring an inch of rain. Now, Saturday, it looks a little bit more broken up, but again, there it is through the late afternoon, evening, and not for everybody, but you're going to see a few scatter storms across the area. Now, look at the start of the day on Sunday. You can see that is why we're not going to be quite as hot. Maybe some first half of the day into midday showers, which will be nice. Same thing for Monday. You see that there. We go from extreme, Sunday still major, down to moderate on Monday because, again, it's all about those rain chances. They're at 7-day forecast, and there's your rain chances, 40% tomorrow, Saturday, down to 30 on Sunday, but going back up to start next week. It'll help keep that heat in check.
All right, thank you, James. Our weather team always streaming live for you twice a day with those in-depth forecasts. You can watch on the free 10 Tampa Bay News app every morning, 11:30, then 4:30 every afternoon.